Good morning, traders. Hope all of you are doing well and staying safe wherever you are and taking precautions. And also that you're trading carefully. So what I'm going to do now for all my YouTube followers is I'm going to give you flash videos, very short flash 5-minute videos that is going to show you a concrete trade setup on a single pair. I hope you enjoy this, and if you do, please share it and make more people get access to it. So I'm using wave analysis, as all of you know. If you've never heard of me before, my name is Anil Mangal, and let me just go through a trade that I was looking at. Now, this one has a very, very long-term trade, but because we're not doing analysis for you guys, I'm just going to show you the trade setup. We have an impulse. Based on wave analysis, we get a correction. Now, sometimes the correction gets more extended, but even though it could get extended, that doesn't stop you from trading. So what we would do here for a trade is we'll wait for a flag. If you get a flag there, we will go with this trade. How would the trade setup look like in our group? We'll take the entry order here with a stop here. That means we limit how much we can lose if they tag you like this and go back up like that. Most times they will not do that. They will tag you and they will come to the low here. So when you are at the low, when it comes to this level, you will put that trade into positive and leave it because we were expecting it to come here. The bigger trade would be this level, and then it is either going to break out or it's going to go back up one more like that. So that is a trade setup I'm looking for. Now, I can give you all the details as to how we arrive at that trade and what we do, but that's a very long process, and most of you might not even understand what I'm looking at. So for now, again, I'm going to go over this trade. We want to make sure you can go into 1 hour and do it. I'll go into 1 hour. And you want to wait for a flag. So yesterday there was a buy that we took, which was this buy to the upside. Once it broke the low, the top of this trade, we took off that buy. There's a reason for that. What I want to see is the same thing here, some consolidation. This normally takes about 8 to 10 hours sometimes. Sometimes you get it in 5-6 hours, but you have to wait for that. That's the confirmation of the trade. And then we will take a trade from here to this level. Now, even if the trade does not go like that, you have a stop here to protect it. That's the first thing. But the second thing is most times when we take trades like that, is that they will come here if they stay for a short time here. They will come. If we notice that there is a structural change in this piece coming down, the weight's coming down, like if it's coming down like this, we'll just take off the trade because we know you're going to get one more up. Which means if it comes down like this, we'll get one more up. But I mean, that's complicated for you guys. It's not as easy as I put it over to you. So wait for this. If only if you get this, then we take the trade. If you don't get that sideways move, then it has to go without you. So I'm sharing my trade setup for you. This will be our trade setup for today. We like this trade. It's a very, very, very high probability trade with very good risk to reward if the trade goes the way you want it to go. If it doesn't, you're protected. So that's a trade setup. I'm going to leave you with that. Make it very short. Very nice. It will give you a very good risk to reward trade. Wait for it to happen and then take this and then here, and then you can see there's a possibility it can break out of this. That's a very big trade if it happens. So with that, I'm going to leave you. If you like what I do, please subscribe. Please set the notification for when I put trades out like this, because I'm going to put them very often and they're going to be random. It's not like every day, maybe 2 a day, maybe none for the day if there's nothing happening. But these are trades you can monitor, and I hope they help you make money. Hopefully, if you want to take them, that would be your choice. But please share it. If you like what I do, share it, and let's make it happen. Take care. Thank you for your support, and goodbye.